Hello, and welcome to the 2023 Retiree Open Enrollment Meeting. This is a recording for your guys' benefits for the 2023 calendar year. Our agenda for today is we're going to talk about the open enrollment dates, our group medical plan insurance changes, our dental and vision plan changes and enhancements, Medicare plan open enrollment action steps, and then important reminders. Today's presenter is myself, Carrie Segnis. I am the benefits coordinator here at Washington County. We have Jennifer Carlson and Sarah Haltman from Health Partners. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for your service to Washington County. Your dedication and hard work not only provided vital services to the citizens of Washington County, but was also the building blocks to making Washington County a great place to live, work, and play. So thank you very much. With that, let's get started. The open enrollment period for this year is from October 24th until November 4th. As a reminder, you only need to complete the pink enrollment form if you're looking to make a change to your medical plan. If you are not making any changes and want to remain on the same current plan, then you don't need to do anything. The pink enrollment forms have been mailed to your home, and this year the rates are settled, which is really awesome news. And the rates on the sheet are the rates that you will pay starting January 1st of 2023. For the 2023, the copay plan remained the same as it was for 2022. The $2,800 HSA plan has changed. It will now be referred to as the $3,000 HSA plan, and the deductible has increased to $3,000 and the out-of-pocket maximums has increased as well. The $4,000 HSA plan remains the same. However, there is an additional network option available under the $4,000 HSA plan called the Select Network. What this means is that there are now two network options under the $4,000 HSA plan. They are the Perform Network and the new Select Network, which is a narrower network option. If electing the $4,000 HSA plan, you will need to select and elect which network option you would like. The Perform Network, which is the same as 2022, or the new Select Network, which is a narrow network option. So next, we're going to learn more about the narrow network options and what they look like. And Jennifer Carlson from Health Partners will share a little bit about what the Select Network looks like.
Great, thank you, Carrie. The Select Network gives you the tools to get the right care for what ails you. With video, phone, and in-person options, you can get treatment that strikes the perfect balance of convenience, price, and experience. You can see any doctor in the Select Network, and that is more than 1,800 physicians in over 300 locations. If you need additional care, you can ask your physician within the Health Partners Medical Group or Park Nicollet Clinic care system or clinic sites to help you find a specialist. However, there is no referral required to access specialists. So which clinics does the Select Network include? This would be all Health Partners Medical Group clinics and all Park Nicollet Clinic care group sites. And some, familiar, providers that are in the Eastern Metro area would be the Stillwater Medical Group, Westfields Hospital, Amory Regional Medical Center, and Hudson Hospital. This would also include coverage for Children's Minnesota, which would include, those care group sites that are on site at Children's that fall into those specialty categories listed there. Midwest Radiology, St. Paul Radiology, Suburban Imaging, Consulting Radiologists, and Center for Reproductive Medicine. And as Carrie mentioned in the previous slide, you can look up specifically physicians and clinics by accessing healthpartners.com/select. The Select Network also includes what we call far from home coverage. So what is it? It's a network that includes in-network providers outside of Minnesota, Iowa, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Wisconsin. So this would be ideal, for having coverage for, say, college students living far from home, and or care needs that arise while on vacation. So if you look at the map on the right, we've got, our Twin Cities metro area select network. The geographic buffer really refers to virtual care, so virtual, basically. So you'll be either directed to a physician, back to the Minnesota Select Network, and then in those, other 4 states, would you be directed back to virtual. So the Far From Home network includes every other far from Minnesota state that you would be able to receive your in-network benefits. All right, so in all 50 states, regardless of which network you choose for 2023, whether if you stay in the Perform network or decide to opt into the Select network plan, you'll still have in-network coverage for care received in any emergency department, urgent care, ambulance services, and of course for virtual. Okay, so let's take a look to see how the 2 networks compare. So with the Perform network that you're all very used to, that we've had, in place for 2022, this would be all contracted providers within Health Partners. However, excluding the Mayo Clinic and the Mayo Clinic Health System. It's our Get Care Everywhere network. And how that compares with Select is it's more of a narrow, top quality network that offers the most affordable and high value option in the Twin Cities metro area. So it's really staying, within that Select network, but for a lesser out-of-pocket premium that's required per month. So both plans offer national network access. And as I just mentioned, under the Select plan, there is that Far From Home network benefit. Both plans have out-of-network coverage, and also there is that nationwide access to emergency department, urgent care, ambulance, and virtual, all paid at the in-network level in all 50 states. And the cost is, we kind of define it, as Perform being that it is that open access, so to speak, network. It's going to be a little bit more premium-wise than the Select network. And as always, you can access the network for finding your doctor or a new one at healthpartners.com/perform or healthpartners.com/select.
Perfect. Thank you, Jennifer. And then one question for you. If I want to know if my doctor is included in the Select network, I can go to that healthpartners.com/select and find to see if my doctor is available.
Absolutely.
Perfect. So for those of you who are considering using the Select network for your $4,000 option, you may want to go to healthpartners.com/select and make sure that your doctor is in your network before electing this plan. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we do have a plan comparison. This will be mailed to your guys' home in your benefits enrollment packet, so it should be included. So this slide shows you a side-by-side comparison of all 3 of the medical plan options for 2023. Reminder, this does not include the RNC Journey plan. You can also use this chart to see how the plans are different for benefits such as prescriptions, hospital services, urgent care, and so on. A side-by-side comparison, like I had stated before, has been mailed to your home with the rest of your open enrollment packet. All 3 of these plans will include preventative services covered at 100%. This includes your 1 annual eye exam, 2 preventative dental visits, and your routine preventative medical care. If you have any questions regarding medical providers, benefits, or coverage, contact Health Partners directly by calling the number on the back of your medical insurance card. Another great way to save yourself some time and money is by using Virtuel. Virtuel is an online clinic open 24/7 offered by Health Partners. It is free to use if you elect the copay plan, and it's never more than $59 if you elect one of the HSA plans. You're only charged the Virtuel if Virtuel can treat you, and you get unlimited follow-up calls for free. Virtuel can treat more than 60 common conditions. All you do is go online to virtuel.com and answer the health questions. A medical professional will review and send you a treatment plan, and a prescription if needed within 30 minutes. You can do all of this from anywhere you have access to the internet. We are sad to announce that the Well at Work Clinic has officially closed on September 2nd of 2002. We value our partnership with Health Partners and will continue to explore additional ways to offer quality and cost-effective services. In this next section, we're going to discuss the voluntary benefits you have continued through the county's COBRA carrier, BRI, and this is for both dental and vision. This is only for those who have continued the dental and vision plans through BRI. If you did not elect these benefits at retirement, you cannot add these benefits. The county's dental plan did have some enhancements. Again, your dental renewal information will be coming in the mail from the county's COBRA administrator, BRI. The dental plan enhancement is that the annual maximum for level 1 went from $1,500 to $2,000, and for level 2, it went from $1,000 to $1,500 per calendar year. So that is more money available to you. There were no changes to the COBRA Vision Plan through BRI. You will receive information in the mail about your vision renewal as well. On this slide, we have the dental summary, and as you can see, the plan did change for that benefit level 1 and benefit level 2 that we had discussed earlier on the last slide. The deductibles, preventive and diagnostic care, basic care, special care have all remained the same, and the premiums did increase, and you can see those on the right. As a reminder, BRI will be sending you this information, and if you elect to continue, you need to make sure that you do so. This slide shares our vision benefits. There were no changes to the plan or to the vision premiums for 2023. The plan has remained the same, and again, all enhancements and information will be through BRI, our COBRA vendor. That is all that we have for the under 65 plans. If you do have questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to Health Partners, or you can reach out to Washington County, and we'd be more than happy to assist with you. Next, I would like to introduce Sarah Haltman, and she is with Health Partners, and she is our Medicare expert here at Health Partners, and she will be presenting information about the RNC Journey Plan. So Sarah, thank you.
Thank you, Carrie. I am glad to be here today and welcome retirees to the Medicare portion of your Health Partners plan options for 2023 offered through Washington County. So each year, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services measure how well Medicare health plans perform, and the scale that's used is known as the star rating system. And ratings range from 1 to 5 stars, with 5 being the highest score a plan can achieve, obviously. For 2022, we're proud to say Health Partners Medicare group plans received 5 stars. That's the highest possible rating from CMS. We earned 5 stars because we help people get healthy and stay healthy. We're there when you need us, and Health Partners members consistently receive outstanding service from our team of experts. So medical and Part D prescription drug coverage are aligned in your Medicare group solution offered as a Washington County retiree. One application and Health Partners will enroll you in the Journey Medicare Advantage Plan or the RNC Retiree National Choice Plan. Either plan and your Health Partners Medicare group solution provides you with matching medical and prescription drug coverage. New for 2023 retirees, you can skip the paper and apply online. Watch for more details on electronic enrollment later this year. We have expanded the Health Partners Journey Group service area from 60 counties to 70 counties. The RNC service area will be the remaining 17 counties and the other 49 states, as well as Puerto Rico. Health Partners will determine which plan you're enrolled in by your county of residence. We expanded the counties in the Journey Plan service area to include, as you see listed here, 70 counties in Minnesota, as I had indicated. The 10 highlighted purple ones are new for 2023. Once you complete your application for enrollment into the Washington County sponsored Medicare plan, Health Partners will automatically enroll you in either the Journey Medicare Advantage or the RNC plan, depending on where you live. So good to know that with either plan, you can see any provider that's eligible to participate in Medicare. Even though the Journey plan has a network, retirees pay the same whether you get care from in-network or out-of-network providers. That means there's no additional cost for care you receive outside of the Journey network, for example. The RNC plan doesn't have a specified network, so once again, you can access care at any provider that accepts Medicare. Now, the retail pharmacy network is large with over 57,000 pharmacies across the country. Plus, you don't have to worry about whether the pharmacy is preferred or non-preferred. You have one level of cost sharing for each Part D drug tier. As a Washington County retiree with Health Partners Medicare Group Plan, you have coverage for services beyond medical or prescription drugs. You may know the perks like hearing aids, travel coverage, or fitness benefits, to name a few. We'll cover more about these perks in a bit. Great news for Washington County retirees. Your cost sharing with your Medicare plan will remain the same for 2023, helping provide peace of mind by protecting your budget as you continue in your retirement or move towards your retirement. Remember, the Journey and RNC plans are aligned, so your out-of-pocket costs are the same on either plan. We've summarized the most common benefits our Washington County retirees access here. More great news, your prescription drug out-of-pocket responsibility is staying the same for 2023 as well. So listed here are your Part D benefits. Please contact a Health Partners consultant to get more information on how your drugs are covered. Don't forget about your mail order savings. For 3 months prescriptions, you will only pay for 2 months copay, and that's through our preferred mail order pharmacy. All Health Partners members have access to our 5-star member services team for help with benefits and coverage questions, finding a provider, or checking if a medicine is covered or not. Also, care lines available for questions regarding minor illnesses, should you see a doctor, or learning about home treatment options. Your Nurse Navigator program can help with more complex matters, maybe choosing a treatment option or finding a health professional in the behavioral health network. Virtual is one form of telehealth available to you at no cost. So you can skip going to the clinic and get care right in the comfort of your own home. Virtual is available through your smartphone, tablet, or computer. And if you're prescribed a medication when accessing care on Virtual, the prescription can be sent directly to the nearest pharmacy. With SilverSneakers, you'll get a gym membership with access to over 16,000 plus fitness locations nationwide. You can be enrolled in multiple gyms at one time. Maybe you don't like the gym. Stream live online classes if you're comfortable accessing on-demand workout videos from the comfort of your own home. All this at no additional cost. The hearing aid benefit continues with our partner, True Hearing. Style, features, color, or technology would all determine your copay amount, whether it's $99, $199, or $499 per hearing aid. There's a network of providers for this benefit, and a True Hearing consultant can help you find the provider convenient to you. With True Hearing, you can count on benefits like a professional exam. You have unlimited follow-up visits for a year, risk-free trial period, manufacturer's warranty with the hearing aid. Contact a consultant at True Hearing to move forward with your hearing aid needs. All our members have the freedom to travel. Nationwide, you'll get the same benefit level as if you were in network at a Medicare eligible provider. If you're traveling internationally, you have emergency and urgently needed coverage. And Assist America is our health partners exclusive service. It's included at no cost, and it's there to help replace lost medications, locate providers for emergencies, if you've unexpectedly fallen ill and need an interpreter when traveling in an unfamiliar area. Assist America is there as a great resource at no charge to you. Please check out assistamerica.com to see the many services included under this Health Partners exclusive benefit. Moving forward, what you can expect. You're going to receive an annual notice of change letter in the next few weeks if you have not already. Review it and contact Health Partners with any questions. If you live in any of the 10 counties listed that I highlighted above in purple, you will receive a letter about your updated 2023 plan options. You don't need to do anything to remain a Health Partners Medicare plan member. Sit back, relax. If you are or will be new to Medicare or retiring in the near future, then this information is for you. You want to make sure you apply for your Medicare Parts A and B. Once you contact Washington County, they will send you a packet of retiree materials. Fill out your pink retiree form, which will prompt the county to send you the Health Partners application. Remember, you need to complete the Health Partners application. And when applying for your Health Partners Medicare coverage, it is only one enrollment application per person. So if you're married, then each individual will need to submit a completed application. Remember, in 2023, once again, you can skip that paper application and apply online for your Washington County sponsored Medicare plan. Feel free to reach out to a Health Partners Medicare expert for questions about certain care needs or ask how your medications are covered again. They can help you go over plan benefits when you enroll. Once you've submitted your completed application, I am wanting to skip this slide here. There we go. Once you've submitted your completed application, watch for your new member packet with your ID cards from Health Partners. If you have been a member of Health Partners, you'll keep your same member ID number and can continue to log in and access that online account you already set up. If you have not, go to healthpartners.com, select the blue sign-in button at the top of the web page, and set up your online account. With this valuable member tool, you can view your member ID card, see your claims, compare pharmacy costs, search for doctors, and check out those healthy discounts. Questions? Please call us 952-883-7428. Our helpful Medicare experts are ready to assist as you start thinking about retirement. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your membership. Back to you, Carrie.
Thank you very much, Sarah. I want to leave this slide up just for a second here so that people can write down this number if they have any questions in regards to the Medicare number, 952-883-7428 if you guys have any Medicare questions that Health Partners can help with. Last thing I wanted to let everyone know is that you are more than welcome to contact HR Benefits. The email is on this current slide, hrbenefits@co.washington.mn.us, and I am happy to help you with any of the questions that you have. You can also contact our benefits hotline at 651-430-6079, and we can answer any of the questions that you have. I also have the numbers for the Washington County plans, which are those who are under 65, and then the phone number for those who are over 65. And then True Hearing Consultants phone number is here also along with IMED. So that wraps up our retiree open enrollment recorded presentation. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.